How to check recently visited pages in Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open our Facebook on a device. Then tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Now let's say I search for a page. Now simply tap on the search icon. Now if I open up the page and simply go back. Now to find the page I visited, simply tap on the search icon. Now next to recent, simply tap on see all. Now simply tap on visits. Now on this page, you can find all of the profiles and pages you visited on Facebook. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.